When I carry out civil contracting jobs, I use traditional waterproofing systems for roofs, like brickbat coba. I find that over time cracks appear on the roof. Water seeps through these cracks down to the RCC slab and finally leaks through the RCC slab also. Do you have any solution that can be provided on the RCC slab itself before providing the traditional sloping system on the roof?
Well, Vijay, you're very right. Traditional systems resist water seepage only up to some time. But technically they cannot be called waterproofing systems or barriers. Therefore, it's very important that the RCC slab itself is made impermeable with an effective coating. We have two products for such problems: Dr. Fixit Roof Coat and Dr. Fixit Roof Seal. Roof Coat and Roof Seal are ideal for application on a new terrace slab as an undercoat for waterproofing below brickbat coba, lime terracing and roof tiling.
Why two different products? I mean, what is the difference between Roof Coat and Roof Seal?
Well, effectively both products are the same, with just one difference. Roof Coat is suitable for roofs up to 2000 square feet area, that is 180 square meters. And Roof Seal is suitable for larger roofs with area larger than 2000 square feet.
How do we apply these products?
Let us first see how to apply Dr. Fixit Roof Coat on a flat RCC terrace slab. The application surface should be clean to remove all loose material. Apply a coat of Dr. Fixit Torch Shield Primer undiluted. There should be no gaps or areas of incomplete coverage. Allow this to dry for 4 to 6 hours. Pour some of the roof coat onto the substrate. Use a rubber squeegee or a brush to apply the first coat of roof coat on the prepared surface. The coverage should be 1 liter per square meter. The application should all be in one direction only. Roof coat must be applied over the vertical surfaces like the parapet walls also, up to a height of at least 25 centimeters to ensure complete waterproofing of the terrace slab. Allow the first coat to dry, which will typically take 4 to 6 hours. You can increase the effectiveness of roof coat by sandwiching a glass fiber reinforcement between its two coats. Now apply the second coat of roof coat over this glass fiber reinforcement. The direction of the second coat is 90 degrees to the direction of the first. Again, ensure that roof coat is applied over the vertical surfaces like the parapet walls also, up to a height of at least 25 centimeters. Allow the second coat to dry, which will again take 4 to 6 hours. For roofs with an area larger than 2000 square feet, that is 180 square meters, use Dr. Fixit Roof Seal. Roof Seal gives a higher film thickness of 1.5 millimeter. It is also highly elastomeric with an elongation of over 500%. Due to this, it can easily take the expansion stresses of large terraces and has a crack bridging ability of up to 2 millimeter. The application process for Roof Seal is very similar to that of Roof Coat. The only difference is that after the first coat, there is no need to insert the glass fiber reinforcement. Simply apply the second coat at 90 degrees to the direction of the first coat.
Both Roof Coat and Roof Seal look extremely simple to apply. Are there any precautions to be taken?
Vijay, a few simple precautions will ensure that Dr. Fixit Roof Coat and Dr. Fixit Roof Seal give service for a long time. First, do not apply these on very hot concrete or when the wind is strong, because the surface of the film will dry fast and prevent evaporation of the underneath surface. This may lead to blisters. Second, Wear gloves and protective footwear during the application.
Aside from a new slab, where else can we apply roof coat and roof seal?
Both these products can also be used for the waterproofing of walls, gutters, and buried concrete structures. They also provide corrosion protection for concrete against seawater.
Can roof coat and roof seal be applied to a metal or a galvanized roof?
Yes, of course. Aside from waterproofing, they also provide rust protection for galvanized and metal roofs as well as pipes.
What about old terraces? Do I have to remove the old waterproofing system, then apply roof coat or roof seal on the exposed slab, and then redo the coba or tiling, etc.?
Vijay, in old terraces where slope is already provided, but there are undulations, small holes, crevices, etc. that stagnate water, there is no need of breaking and redoing the screed. You can effectively fill and level the roof economically using the roof coat mastic system. The mastic can be prepared with 1 part cement, 5 parts sand and 1 part roof coat, along with water to make a homogeneous, travelable consistency. Finally, you can apply a waterproofing coat over it.
Oh. After the rains, sometimes the roof is damp. Can we apply roof coat and roof seal on such surfaces?
Yes, both products bond firmly to either dry or damp surfaces. In fact, they allow entrapped moisture to escape. However, avoid applying on a totally wet roof. Wait for the surface to dry.
What is the life of the application?
Well, both products have a long life of 10 years, if properly applied, with use of glass fiber reinforcement in case of roof coat and with a system that provides a proper slope in the roof.
On a large terrace, I may not be able to finish 1 coat of the application in 1 day. Then the next day, will I have to take any special care at the joint between the old and fresh coat?
Not at all. Roof coat and roof seal give totally seamless membranes with no joints. In fact, they can be easily applied to complex shapes and adhere both to horizontal and vertical surfaces without any sag.
Well, sir, thank you very much for suggesting this wonderful solution.
Well, you're always welcome, Vijay. Remember, Dr. Fix-It Roof Coat and Roof Seal, 2 excellent products for waterproofing and protection of new terrace slabs as an undercoat for waterproofing below brick bat coba, lime terracing and roof tiling.